provide nutrients in the forms of vitamins and minerals, which are vital for the health and maintenance of your body. In addition to all of the vitamins and minerals found in vegetables, there are also important plant chemicals, known as phytochemicals, that are essential for optimal physiological functioning. Phytonutrients are what give plants their colors, flavors, and their unique aromas. They are also the nutrients most closely linked to the prevention of certain diseases. Carotenoids and flavonoids are two of the largest groups of phytonutrients, and there is no food group that provides them in amounts as abundant as vegetables. Vegetables also provide an alkaline load to the blood, meaning it generates a slightly higher pH value in the body. Since both proteins and grains present acid loads to the blood, it is important to balance these acids with alkaline-rich vegetables, as too much acid and not enough alkalinity can lead to the loss of bone strength and muscle mass. Aside from the many health benefits vegetables have to offer, they're also terrific for people looking to either lose or maintain their weight, as most raw vegetables have a very low calorie density, meaning it's very hard to overeat them and gain weight.